Welcome to the unbelievable universe, where we delve into the extraordinary ways you can make a significant impact on our planet right from your home. Today, we're thrilled to share 7 unbelievable eco-friendly household hacks that can dramatically reduce your environmental footprint. Ready to transform your daily routine into a force for good? Let's get started. 1. Natural weed killer. Banish weeds from your garden the natural way, sidestepping harsh chemicals. 2. Homemade natural cleaning spray. This all-purpose cleaner leaves your home spotless and imbued with the fresh scent of nature. 3. Natural moth repellent. Safeguard your clothes naturally, ditching the need for toxic mothballs. 4. Plant-based insecticide. Protect your plants with this gentle yet effective insecticide that's kind to the earth. 5. Eco-friendly pest control. Employ marigolds and garlic, nature's own pest repellent, for a flourishing garden. 6. Eco-friendly wall paint. Revitalize your space with paint that's better for the planet and your health. 7. Natural air fresheners. Create a refreshing ambiance with these simple, natural air fresheners. Adopting these hacks not only contributes to a healthier planet but also enhances your quality of life. Every small step towards eco-friendly living is a leap towards sustainability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Unbelievable Universe for more insights into making a difference. Together, we can craft a brighter future for our world. Thanks for watching.